Alright everybody, today we are cupping and we're working with a teenager today. So this is a perfect way to get your teen started for spring break. They have an entire week off, so if you're an active teen like Lydia is, she's on her drill team. So she's up every morning at 5:30 and she's working out for a few hours, and she dances multiple hours a day almost every single day of the week. So if you have a teen that's really highly involved in sports, whether it's soccer or football or drill team, anything that they're doing, or even if you yourself are quite active, this would be a fantastic treatment for you. This is especially good for her because she has an entire week off for her body to be able to recover. So we're starting today. She started with a float, and now we're doing a massage and a cupping treatment. So as you can see, her back's in drape. I've already worked on her back, and we've done a full back massage already. But she's having some issues up here on her shoulders, and she's also having some issues in her legs. We won't address those today on live, but we're going to address her shoulders today. So we started cup dragging, and so what we do is we have these cups that we use as tools to help. What it's going to do is kind of quite the opposite of a massage. A massage, when we're doing a massage, we're applying pressure with our body, with our fingers, with our thumbs, with our elbows. With the cup, we're actually using negative pressure, and what that does is help break up the fascia. Also really fantastic for cellulite, but that's a different treatment. But what we're going to do today is we're going to cup drag, so I'm going to just demonstrate that a little bit. So as you know, she's quite white right now. That's just how her skin is, but you'll notice as I start going over this tissue, she starts turning pink. And that's fantastic because what we're doing is we're getting the circulation going in those muscles. We're breaking up fascia, and it's helping to release that muscle tissue even more, because remember, I've already massaged her. So really what you're getting with a cupping treatment is more of a two for one. You're getting massage, then what we're going to do is cup, and then I can go ahead and leave these sitting on her stationary for about 30 minutes while you continue working on the rest of her body. So most of her issues that she's having in her shoulders are kind of right up here by her neck, in her upper traps, and then right down here in the shoulder blade area. So now that she's all nice and pink, I'm going to go ahead and just place these again, so that way she can continue getting the most out of her treatment while I work on the rest of her body. And depending on what your issue is, you might have cups all around the shoulder. Maybe you're having a shoulder issue, well then we could cup over the entire shoulder. We could cup the entire back if you'd like, but today we're just kind of spot treating some of these areas that she's having issues with. Now these ones have already been on for a few moments. I'll kind of show you what it looks like after we take them off. You'll see right here she's got a little bit of red. They've only been on for about 10 minutes, and we're actually going to place them back on here when we're done showing you. So they're going to continue working on her body. You'll see how it started to pull this color. A lot of times people confuse the cup marks with bruising, and it's not bruising because we haven't actually impacted that muscle tissue to hit it and cause it to bruise. What the cup is doing is actually pulling stuff out of that muscle tissue. It's bringing it up to the surface of the skin, and then what it's allowing the body to do is the lymphatic system to be able to flush those toxins that were in her muscle tissue out through the body. So this is also helping to speed recovery and helping her to be able to get back onto the floor and feel fantastic. So thank you for joining us today. That's a little bit about cupping. And if you have any questions, give us a call here at Summit Spa and Float. We'd love to tell you a little bit more and have you come in for treatment. Have a good spring break.